Welcome! If you want to stay updated every time someone likes your posts on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn on like notifications from everyone on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're a creator, a business, or just love knowing when your content gets attention, this quick guide will help you never miss a like again. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to receive notifications. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. That's the menu icon. Tap on it, and a menu will slide out from the side. From here, select Settings. This is where you can control how Instagram keeps you in the loop. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find Notifications. Tap on it to open up all your notification preferences. Here, you'll see different categories for what you want to be notified about. Next, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section lets you fine-tune notifications for everything related to your content, including likes, comments, and more. Now, look for the Likes option. By default, Instagram might only notify you about likes from people you follow, or it could be set to off. To make sure you never miss a like from anyone, tap on From Everyone. This will enable notifications for likes from all users, not just those you follow. And that's it. You've just made sure that every time someone likes your post, you'll get a notification, no matter who they are. If you ever want to adjust these settings or turn them off, just follow these steps again and choose your preferred option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. See you in the next video.